Hello all my YouTube subscribers. Today I just wanted to make a video just talking about just a little about motor mounts and just to show you example of how they look like when the car has 200,000 plus miles, and just so you guys can see the wear and tear how it looks. So this is the one I just bought. It's the aftermarket one. So this engine mount, motor mount was on the driver's side, and this one was on the passenger side. So they're like this, and as you can see, these are original BMW ones. Hopefully this camera focus. There we go. The original BMW ones. So just say this one's a BMW one too, and it's leaking fluid from in here. Well, as you can see how much wear and tear it has. It got tore up. So this is how a bad motor mount looks like. So pretty much this was sitting in there. As you can see how the whole plastic piece is warped to one side. So, and this one, from the original thickness to that, the thickness to this one, wear and tear, this one's not that bad. If you try to put them side to side, you can see that this one's a little smaller. Right there, just a little smaller. For 200 plus 1,000 miles on the car, it's not that bad. But eventually this motor mount would have to be replaced. As you can see that the motor mount got nice and dried up. So that's just a little example how the motor mount looks like when it's tore up. This is what usually happens to them. So, and another way to find out that the motor mount's no good, it will usually be smaller. As you can see in this one, how skinny it is compared to these two. This one's a little more skinnier, so this rubber piece will get a little smaller. So just wanted to show you guys. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and be looking forward for more videos. Okay, thank you guys.